Had you ever opened up Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and thought, is this AI? Is anybody here real? The comments feel fake, the reviews feel fake, the articles feel fake, the music sounds AI generated.
It's all good, fuck you too. You was the worst thing that ever happened to me. I wish I never met your gold digging ass.
The videos are AI generated. Every account is posting the same opinion with a different profile picture.
What do you mean by that?
That feeling has a name, and it's called the dead internet theory. And no, it does not mean the internet literally died. It means the internet is slowly filling up with bots. AI generated content, fake engagement, fake reviews, fake people, algorithm bait. The scary part is the theory started as a internet conspiracy talk, but now a lot of it is starting to feel less like a conspiracy and more like a product. Dead internet theory is the idea that much of the modern internet is no longer driven by real people. Instead, it's driven by bots, algorithms, content farms, AI tools, engagement machines, automated accounts. Now, the theory became popular around 2021. A lot of us were cooped up, remember? So a lot of people were coming up with a lot of good ideas, but the core idea is simple. What if the internet still looks alive, but most of what you're seeing is artificial? Not every post, not every person, not every comment, but enough that the internet starts to feel weird. Like you're walking through a mall where half the people are mannequins. Bot traffic is massive. You go to any of these platforms, you're gonna see AI generated content farms. These are websites that look like news sites, blogs, helpful resources. Platforms reward volume. Create more content, you have more chances to rank. What happens when AI makes content nearly free? The internet gets flooded. It's because the incentives are broken, but we're surrounded by systems pretending to be human. You should care because this affects how you think, shop, vote, learn, build. If you're a normal person, it means you need to be more careful about what you trust online. So is dead internet theory true? Not fully. The internet's not dead. But the internet is different. The line between human and machine is getting blurry, and the platforms are not built to protect that line. If you want to stay ahead of this internet dead theory, then my recommendation would be go check out Codecrafters, the sponsor for today's video. What I like about this tool is you're building real world projects, and look, they have your own build your own Claude code. This is something I'm taking myself, and if you're interested, here's the link. I'm going to put it in the description below. And if you like the rest of this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content. I appreciate you so much. Check out.